Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add a phone number on Get.io. Before we get into it, make sure to like this video and do subscribe to our channel for more crypto related videos. First thing you need to do is to simply open your Get.io application. Once you have logged into your Get.io account, after that you just need to click on this profile icon at the top of left corner. After that you need to click on this profile and settings at the top. After that click on the security button. You will be able to see this phone number. So click on this phone number and you will be landed on this page. Here first of all you need to select the country code. You can select the country. I'm selecting here Pakistan. After selecting the country code, simply enter your phone number here. After entering the phone number, so you just need to click on this get SMS button and you will receive a verification code on your phone number. After verifying the SMS code, so you just need to click on the get email code and then you will receive an email verification code on your registered email address. Copy this email code and after copying, simply paste it here. Once you fill all of this information, simply click on the submit button and now you have successfully added your phone number on Get.io. And that's it. Now you know how to add a phone number on Get.io. If this video helped you out, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more videos.